School of Days of 723 Squadron, Royal Australian Navy, Fleet Air Arm. And with us here in the commentary position today, we have Supply Tanker William McLean.
Thank you. I think we're trying to run through these scores as well as some of the fine points of our public formation and the exact finding. Royal Australian Navy has a significant aviation and helicopter capability, which is seen as a small but professional force. So today we're flying the Eurocopter AS350 Bravo Alpha Squadron. As you see, some of the ways schools have been employed on cargo motors, the They've also been employed in restaurant support, surveys, and further joined the Navy in 04, conducting basic flying training on CT4 and PC9, but also conducting the movement scoring training. After that, Simon completed his operational flying training at A170 flying the sea. Simon's been employed in support.
Yeah, I know.
Before conducting a roll-off class.